Ticky. Markets had a better day today thanks to the PM.
Well, they did indeed. I mean, if you look at today's chart, we actually ended up 1.5% up, but around about 11 o'clock, up it hopped there. That's on the Prime Minister's sort of warm talking about the fact that we're going to see a little bit more easing in the near term. So as a result of that, all four of the banks were really up smartly, I think, sort of between 3 and 6% there. And also we had a jump in the oil price overnight, up 14%, and that meant energy companies were up. We also had inflation numbers out today, and they were surprisingly strong for the quarter. We're actually annually, we're now bounced back into the RBA's 2 to 3% band, but don't expect that to continue very much, Kieran, because, of course, the next quarter we're going to see some tough times. I think the RBA chief has even suggested we might be in the negative for the June quarter there.
And not negative for Coles, though, was it, in the third quarter?
Well, not negative on sales, Kieran, no. But actually the share price today was a bit of a shocker. I think we ended up down 4.68%. And that is because record sales through in the last quarter, but not obviously a lot of spending that's had to go on. They've had to take on 12,000 people, and there have been these sort of pop-up installations for things like supply chain. So extra expense there, but certainly record sales for the quarter, up 13%. And here's what Coles CEO Stephen Kane had to say.
Sales were performing very well at Coles in any event because we were successfully executing our strategy. What then happened was at 5 weeks of panic buying, we couldn't meet the demand. We worked with suppliers. They've been working around the clock to get things back on track. And this week, the iconic toilet roll, the restrictions have gone. Yes. Liquor, the restrictions have gone. So things are getting back to where we need them to be.
Yeah, so Kieran, we'll see what happens on the results. But crucially, yeah, toilet rolls restrictions are lifted.